What's up, guys? This is Noah here. Welcome back to another video on all things Noah. In this video today, I'm going to give you guys why you should become a gaming content creator. Uh, this is one of the biggest things of what you should do, of how you should become a gaming content creator, of giving my knowledge since I've been creating gaming content for almost 8 years now, and I will definitely share my tips and tricks of how to actually why you should become a gaming content creator in 2026. So my tip for starting out as a gaming content creator is, why do you want to do it? What are the reasons you want to be a gaming content creator? Those are always the whys. The reason why I wanted to become a gaming content creator back in 2018 is when I actually started, is because I never really made a lot of friends in high school. I never really did. I never really had much of a friendship in high school, so I wanted to build a online presence. And I really loved video games as a kid when I was 5 or 6 years old. And I would always love video games. I really did, and I still do today. And it's always been my passion of mine, and I really loved gaming. So I decided to start recording videos. I took some inspiration from other creators that were doing it, and they were actually having fun. So I told myself, I could definitely do that. I could definitely try to do it. So I went ahead and started recording videos. I started making NASCAR videos back then, IndyCar videos. I used to do all of that, and my channel did take a little bit of some growth, a little bit. I had a few people that were watching my videos and all that kind of stuff, and then our channel took completely off in that second or first year. So definitely starting out with your why is very, very important as well. If this is something you really want to invest in, is this something you want to invest your time in? Is it something that you really want to absolutely enjoy? You always got to think about that before you start out as a gaming content creator. So definitely do that as well. Another tip as well is, what games do you really want to play? If you are a variety if you're a variety gamer, stream different games, create different content around different games is what I mostly do as well, and it's something I've always stick to since the very beginning, is streaming different games, and eventually I started getting some pretty organic growth from streaming different games, and I still do until this day. So streaming different games will touch different niches in different game categories. So definitely streaming different games will get you into. But I have tried and experimented with one game one time, and I did gain a lot of attraction from streaming one game back then. And it did work, and I did become pretty successful with it. So you could definitely dive into one game if you do want to start out your consecration journey into one game. And it could definitely work for you, or you could do variety content. Like I said, variety content is also good as well, from my experience as well. A lot of people say you shouldn't do variety content. It's hard to grow. That's something you shouldn't listen to, and I think you should. I think you should definitely do it. Diving yourself into variety content will help you dive into different niches and different audiences that I have experience with different games, and a lot of people do come back, and mostly people come back mostly for my personality. So that is definitely another thing as well. Another tip as well is define what your ego basically is. So what kind of content creator are you going to be for gaming? Are you going to be a chill content creator? Are you going to be a energetic gaming content creator? Are you going to be a raging content creator? Or are you going to be a very genuine content creator? Those are the things that you really want to pick for what your style is going to be. For me, I usually pick the genuine one because I try to be the most genuine person in this space of trying to provide good vibes, trying to basically build a niche around that is what I usually do. You can definitely follow that as well if you want to be a very genuine creator, just like myself. Um, or there's a lot of other niches that I did pointed out too, but if you do want to take the genuine support way, you could definitely do that as well. So definitely thinking about that is definitely very important. What you want for your personality to shine. So definitely pick a certain style of your content. Will be very important. Another tip as well is to pick your platform. What platform would you want to create content on? The main platforms that I really consider of doing is Twitch, YouTube, Kick, TikTok, um, Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter, and Threads. So definitely invest your time into those platforms is very, very important. But I would definitely dive into multi streaming if you are starting out, is to pick which platform suits you the best and then invest most of your time into those platforms and work on those. So definitely invest your time in which platform works for you and stick to those platforms that do work for you. You don't have to be on all the platforms, just pick ones that work for you and stick with them. And then another thing as well is to be consistent. Consistency is always key because you definitely have to show up at being a content creator and showing up for people and try to be the most positive and genuine personality out there. So being on consistent with the schedule is very, very important because, life can definitely get around and it can hit you really hard, and it could definitely be difficult for people that have a very difficult time to invest their time into this, and it is hard. It really is really, really hard. But if you find that balance and find that dedication of time that you can stream and create content, is definitely amazing feeling. So you definitely have to find the balance of what definitely it works for you. You have to basically continue to look and improve yourself as a creator by diving into analytics, diving into how much engagement your videos did, and how much how many likes basically the clip really did, or how many engaging of followers your live stream actually did. So definitely smarter analytics will help you understand what's working and what's not working. So definitely invest the smarter way, and definitely think smart as a creator. So definitely do that as well. Another thing as well, for one more thing before I end the video here, is to always be yourself. Remember, this is not a race. It's a journey. It's going to take time. And you just have to network. You got to put yourself out there. And it's just going to take time. Being yourself really has helped me a lot because it's built self-growth around me that if you continue to be yourself, you will find the right people that will appreciate you, like you as a creator, and to find your worth, and your investment. So, and it'll give you a lot of confidence. So just do believe that it will get there. Even if it's slow, if it's hard, just remember you can do this. You have to believe in yourself, is what I tell a lot of people. If they are struggling to grow, just remember, always be yourself in any kind of career that you do. Always be yourself. But anyways, I hope you guys definitely did enjoy this video. Let me know down in the comments down below if this video did help you out. Be sure to drop a like on the video. Subscribe to the channel for more content. But thank you guys so much for watching. This is Noah here, and I'll see you guys in the next upload on All Things Noah.